Hey guys, what is going on? This is an exciting video for me because I'm officially expanding the topic of this channel right here. Now, we're gonna start going into all things skincare for men. Now, the reason that we're doing this is because this channel has always been about destigmatizing hair loss and making better men. Right? So one of the things that I thought was tangential to hair systems, hair loss, all of this content is skincare. Now your skin is number one or potentially number two in the things that people recognize about you. You know, your hair is definitely one piece. Your skin, especially your face, is something that you can't really hide. You can't really cover it up. At least with hair, you know, you can wear hats, but that doesn't really work as well. But skin, it's something that affects us all. It's something we all have to deal with. And here's the thing. I don't know about you guys, but one thing that I've realized in my life, part of my story, is that I have never really taken care of my skin. It's probably been about 45 days since I started researching skincare and realizing it's something that's very, very important in order to maintain youthful, healthy skin for the long run. Now, everybody knows about, don't go out in the sun for too long, avoid melanoma, things like this. But what about preventative, right? What about even just keeping the status quo with where you are in your skin and its health? How do you stay younger looking for longer? Now, this industry has compelled me, but also frustrated me for basically my whole life because it's so confusing. There's so much misleading marketing hype out there about skincare products, about beauty products, about cosmetic products, that it's like a minefield of truth versus lies. You don't know what you're stepping into. And on top of that, the ingredient lists are complicated. It's something that you have to dissect and you have to really, really go into. And then there's the thing of like, how much should I be paying for skincare products? Should I be paying $5 and getting them from a drugstore? Should I be paying $400 and getting them from a super boutique place that, is top of the line? Like, is there a difference between these quality skincare products? How does this work? And I don't think I'm alone as a man in this struggle. I think that a lot of us have not really had a lot of education in this realm, and we're overwhelmed by how much misinformation, disinformation, media hype there is, as well as confused because no one has really ever told us. Maybe you're lucky, maybe your parents helped you with that. Maybe you've had a girlfriend or someone in your life that has really started to open your eyes up to skincare. But, here I am at 28 years young, and I really haven't had that much exposure to it. It's only recently that I'm starting to look into it and I'm saying, oh, this is a really important thing inside of my life and inside of everybody's life. So guys, what can you actually expect with this new content as far as skincare? Well, there is so many topics to dissect, and to be honest with you, I'm going to be learning as we go, and I'm going to present to you research that I find. I'm going to be presenting to you information that I find, things that are working for me. It's going to be a mix of experiential education, research-based education, and breaking down the hype, the lies, the marketing, and finding out what the truth is. There's going to be obviously how-to videos about how to go about taking care of your skin. What are the products that you need? What's in the products? Researching the ingredients list. We're going to be doing product reviews. We're going to be talking about skincare issues, specific skin conditions, how to know what type of skin you have, if you have a problem that you need to work through. We're going to be looking at natural solutions, organic solutions, as opposed to just chemical products. We're going to be looking at the BS, like what brands are just marketing hype, what is actually worth it, how much money you should be spending, what products you should buy. We're going to be talking about so much stuff. I've got like a billion ideas, and I'm really, really excited about this realm of content because it's something I've actually wanted to approach, and it's something that I've wanted to look into myself. But once again, I've just been so overwhelmed that I haven't really been able to dive into it until, really 2021. On top of that, there's not a lot of resources out there, guys. There's some, and a lot of them are marketed towards women, but marketed towards men, communicated to men, for men, by men, not a lot of those channels. There's very, very few and far between. So, you know, I kind of want this channel to also have some of that kind of like, hey, you know, if you're a guy, if you're a man, you're a manly man, whatever, you feel comfortable coming to this channel, talking about skincare, talking about hair, talking about other topics that we're kind of move into in the future. But for now, skincare is going to be the first next topic that we start breaking into. And guys, please, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Remember to like and comment on this video though, so that way the YouTube algorithm starts getting the message out that we're talking about skincare. I'm going to update some of the meta, some of the SEO, and start interspersing content like that on this channel. And I think it's going to be really, really big. So guys, you know, start asking questions, like whatever questions you have. I'm going to go, if you feel lazy, I'm going to go and research these questions. I'm going to start writing all of these questions down and start creating content, and we're going to learn together. And for now, I'm not going to really propose a lot of my own opinions and content. It's going to be a lot of research. It's going to be a lot of facts. It's going to be a lot of data, things like that. And, you know, we're going to see how it grows. And I'm really excited about it. I hope you're excited about it. But that's it, guys. I wanted to update you on this, and I want you to start pushing this out. You know, if you have men in your life, including yourself, that are looking for skincare content to learn more about skincare, share this video with them. Share it with them. All right. Share it on your Facebook, share it on your Instagram, whatever, because this is going to be something that we're about to do. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that stuff. I'm so appreciative of you and what we've done over the past year and a half. It's amazing, and I can't wait to see what's next.